Sex full of adrenaline. We're supposed to put you right to sleep just like a sedative.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. So today, as you guys can see, you girl got this gorgeous color. So I am obsessed with this color, whether it's straight, curly, body wave. This color just always does it for me. Like, and it's like the perfect burgundy. It's not too crazy, but it's super pretty. So you guys, the company sponsoring this video is Kriyya Hair. So I've worked with them multiple times and I've never really had any issues. I'm very appreciative that they want to have a bond and keep working with me. Thank you guys so much. I love most of their hair. I haven't had any issues. Yeah, I said most because I haven't had all of their hair like other companies, but I've had a lot of it. So first things first, this is a closure wig, y'all. Yes, a closure. And it came pre-colored like this, and it is 24 inches. Falls about 26 on me because I am 5'3". But y'all, this wig, let's get into it. So first things first, I want to go over shipping. So shipping was via FedEx, and this is the box it came in. Yeah, okay, that's the box it came in. They gave me some goodies. That what fell was some hair clips, so thank you guys so much for that. Let's just hop into some details about Miss Girl. So like I said, I got her in 24 inches, super pretty. She is available in 14 through 26 inches. I feel like 26 would be bussin', like it'll give the girls what the girls need. Okay, but yeah, this is it stretched. This is a really pretty color. So yeah, shipping was about, I'd say, it could have been 5 days, only because of the holiday, but it did not take long to get to me. I got it literally like the day after Christmas, so no issues there. But yeah, it is a 4x4. Okay, it's a 4 by 0.75 human hair closure wig. So that just means basically the parting is only in the middle. So you can turn it to the side and things and stuff, but like that's about it. So if you did want to do like a side, you probably have to actually turn the wig like completely to the side, and then yeah, go from there. But this wig is gorgeous, you guys. I'm obsessed. I think this is a good investment for anybody that's interested. Very low maintenance, very beginner friendly. So if this is something new and you've been wanting to try some curly hair, colored hair at that, this is a great way for a beginner because you don't have to worry about plucking or none of that. It literally comes ready for you to put on. Now, I did not cut any lace because I already had wore the wig, so the lace was already cut. But as you guys can see and are going to see, I literally did not install this wig at all. Yeah, period. So yeah, I love the wig. I think it's a great buy and I'm obsessed. Like I love it. This is the hair wet. You guys are gonna see how it looks beforehand. It's kind of bigger, but it is a very full density. Even if it is 150, it's pretty full. So I'm just gonna do a 360. So yeah, but y'all know I'll talk a lot, so thank you guys so much for watching another video. Let's hop into this tutorial.
Sex full of adrenaline. We're supposed to put you right to sleep just like a sedative. I'm just conceited, I'm a wonder bread, but I'm the guy you needed that you never had. Some people only see the negative, and some people find nowhere to see the good in everything. I just wanna see you through the good and bad. Take it as you are and never give it.